Okay, got an ankle injury?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to help you. I'm going to ask you some of the questions of your ankle history. Then please feel free to answer me, right?
Okay.
Okay. First of all, I'm going to ask you, what's your name?
My name is Kelly Ndari.
Kelly Ndali. Okay. All right. When did this happen? When did that injury happen?
It happened last week.
Last week when?
Last week around, I said Friday.
Okay, Friday. It happened on Friday, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mr. Kelly, what makes it better or worse? What makes it really better or worse? What do you feel? How do you feel like if you do something like?
Well, when I'm running, especially, I feel like a sharp and stabbing sensation on my ankles.
Okay, when you are running, right?
Yeah, when I'm running.
Running, it's okay. Can you please describe your pain? How do you feel pain?
It's a stabbing and stabbing sensation and sharp.
Okay, stabbing and sharp. Okay. Does your pain go anywhere else? Or is it in one place where you feel pain, or does it go anywhere else? Does it go up or left, right, or the pain is in one place?
It's one place and around the ankle.
Okay, it is one place, right? Thank you. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, can you rate your pain?
9.
9?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. How long has this happened? Has been going on? For how long? Ever since you get your injury? For how long?
3 days.
3 days back?
Yes.
All right. 3 days back. Okay. Do you have signs and symptoms of anything?
Yeah, it's swelling.
It's swelling, right?
Yes.
Swelling. So, do you have some allergies?
No.
No allergies. Okay. Are you taking any medication?
Not yet.
No. Okay. Has this happened before?
No, that's my first time.
This is your first time.
Yes.
Cool. What and when did you eat last?
Today lunch.
You got lunch today.
Yes.
What did you get?
Burger.
What?
A burger.
Okay. Burger. What were you doing when this started? When you started feeling this? When you started getting this? What were you doing?
I was training.
You're training?
Yes.
On the training ground, right?
Yes.
Training ground. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Kerry. I've got your history. Then I'll let you know what next. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.